Right. Good morning, everyone. Now, today I'm going to explain about holoform reaction. It is a holoform reaction. In the previous class, aldol condensation, Perkin reaction, benzoin condensation reaction, that all over. Now, today I'm going to the holoform reaction. Look at here. At least one alpha hydrogen consists of the carbonyl compounds, either aldehyde or ketone. They must be have alpha hydrogen. They react the halogens to form the holoforms. Is that clear? Alpha hydrogen consists of the carbonyl compounds react with the halogen to form the holoform. Look at here. I go for the one example. Here I am using CH3 C double bond O CH3. This is a functional group of the ketone. Now these two carbons are the alpha carbons. Is that clear? These two carbons are the alpha carbons. Now they react with the iodine in the presence of hydroxide ion. In the presence of hydroxide ion, they react with the iodine, this acetone. So what it is to form? I write the after mechanism. Look at here. First I go for the mechanism. Look at here, this is a CH3, C double bond O, CH3. This is the acetone. I am write the one hydrogen separately of this carbon. I written like this CH2 getting negative charge. Now in which condition? Hydroxide now, base condition. Now this is the OH minus, this is the H plus. Water molecule. Remain what is there here? CH3, C double bond O, CH2 minus. We getting carbene ion. After that, it treated with the iodine. Iodine get the negative charge here, this positive. So finally, positive iodide coming to the this negative of the carbon. CH3, C double bond O, CH2, I. So of this one hydrogen, I'm write the separately again. Here, I minus. Once again. Once again, here is in the presence of hydroxide ion. This H plus and this one OH minus H2. Remain CH3, C double bond O, C, H minus iodine. This is a carbon ion now, right? Again, it is to react with the iodine. There is a plus iodine come to here. Right now, what it is formed here? Remove the minus I. CH3, C double bond O, CH. This hydrogen I'm write separately, and here is the two iodines, 1 and 1. Okay, clear? Right now, again here is one hydrogen there now. Same in the condition of hydroxide. This H plus, this OH minus H2O, and remain what is there? CH3, C double bond O, Ci2 minus. Now it is to react with the iodine. This is the minus R. So for example, shifting to this iodine side, it's negative, it's positive. Positive going to this carbon side. Now finally CH3, C double bond O, I3. Here minus, I minus, iodide. Right. Again, it's react with the hydroxide ion. Now when electron shifting to here, this hydroxide attack to the positive of this carbon. So finally here CH3, CO minus. Are you sure? Right. Next one here, OH, okay, Ci3. Now electron coming to inside, this electron shifting to carbon side. Due to is a more electronegativity atoms there, no iodine, right? So this electron, the sigma electron shift in this carbon side. So finally, what is get here? CH3, C double bond O, this one C double bond O, OH, this one. Finally, acetic acid forming and remain CI3 is a negative. Carboxylic acid now acid. It means it's give the H plus ion. Now H plus ion coming to that side. Finally, here is get the CH3, C double bond O, O minus plus H I3. So this is the product. So finally, here is we get the carboxylate ion. This is the carboxylate ion and iodoform HI3 iodoform haloform that is. So this is about the haloform reaction. When alpha hydrogen consists of the carbonyl compounds react with the iodine in the presence of hydroxide ions to form the haloforms. Is that clear? That is a haloform. So this is about the haloform reaction.